Good afternoon, everybody. We're going to try to pick this right here, American 1305 series for Jack Fox 100 Advanced giveaway. I don't know how advanced I am, but I'll give it a shot, man. There's my two fingers. Hmm. When you're used to gripping it with all your fingers, it's pretty rough, ain't it? Pretty strange picking it with only two fingers. Pretty strange. My fingers are still up in the air. Hmm. Damn. Yeah, there you go. My fingers didn't touch the lock the whole time, but I've never taken 4 minutes to pick one of these locks before. I wonder what's going on. Anyway, I guess Jack wants to see, make sure how that we have some security pins in here. Let's see how many we got. Let's see how many we got. Where's my... Let me see. I'm going to move you guys where you can see what I'm doing here, I think. I'm going to try anyway. There you go. Wow, ain't that something? Oh, this is one of them funky locks that don't want to come apart for you. There you go. Alright, we're going to just dump it out. I'm running out of time here, I guess. Alright, let's see. You said at least 2 security pins. I want to make sure that you see. Let's zoom in. Alright, we have a serrated down there. Come on. There you go, Jack. I hope this qualifies for your awesome giveaway, man. That leash you pick is really intense. Well, sir, I want to congratulate you on your 100 subscribers. And I hope that you get to 150, 200, 250, and so on. Anyway, have a good day at it, Jack.